Hello everyone. Today I will show some setting how to check the IP and the MAC address. First, as you see my screen is a Windows 10. I use as a host OS and I'm using the VMware workstation host the client OS. The first client OS is Ubuntu. The second client OS is Mac OS. Okay, today I will show the step how to take the IP address and the MAC address on the Windows 10 on the Ubuntu OS and the Mac OS. Okay, let's come back here. Okay. How to let the client OS can connect together with the host OS? Let's just show you the step. First, go to your VMware. Go to the OS tab here, right click it and click the setting. Okay, in the virtual machine setting here, find out the network adapter, choose the host only. The private network share with the host. Just click it and click OK. Same with the other client OS. Choose the network adapter, click the host only. Okay. Okay, first we go back the step how to check the IP and the MAC address on the Windows 10. Okay, it has two solutions. First, we go to the start menu, click the setting, click the network and internet, click change adapter option, choose the network adapter that you want to check. You want to check. Just double click it, then click the detail. You can see the IPv4 address and the physical address. We also call it a MAC address for the physical address. Okay, it has other solution for check the IP address also. It is use the command prompt. Let me show you. Just open the start, click in the CMD and type in the IP config space. Oh. Okay, then find out the network adapter that you want. As you can see, IPv4 here and the physical address here. Okay, let's come down to the Ubuntu OS for how to check the IP and the MAC OS. Okay, in the Ubuntu tab here, OS, you can see the network icon here. Just click it and click the wire connection, click the wire setting. Okay, you will enter the setting page. Make sure you are in the network tab and click the setting icon here. And you at the detail tab, you can see the IPv4 address and the hardware address here. It is the first solution for how to check the Ubuntu OS. Then let us go through the solution 2. Click the start menu, key in terminal. Okay, press enter. Just key in IP addr show SSOW and press enter. Then you can see here the link is the MAC address and the INET is the IP address. Okay, let's go to the next is the MAC OS. How to check the IP and the MAC address on the Mac OS. Because you go to the OS. Okay, this is the Mac OS. In the solution 1, click on the system preference, and then click the network here and click the advanced. Then in the TCP/IP tab, you can set the IP address here, and you also can set the MAC address on the hardware tab here. Okay, let's go to the solution tool. Just open the terminal here. Then key in the command ipconfig get f address, internet address code 0, and to set the IP address, and the network setup is list all hardware port for set the MAC address. Let me show you the step. ipconfig get if address n0. Okay, you can see the address here. Then how to set the MAC address also is the network setup list or hardware port. Network setup minus this or hardware build port. Okay, then you can see the MAC address here. It's as the internet address. It's we also call it a MAC address. Okay, this is the video is end here for the step how to set the IP address and the HYB-OS. Hello everyone, let's continue our video with how use the file sharing to transfer the file. As you can see, my screen is I am using the Windows 10 as the host. In the Windows 10, before you want to share the folder, you need to confirm some setting already done before you share it. Okay, first please make sure each computer on the network has a different computer name. This is the example is the my host OS, my first HYB-OS, and my second HYB-OS cannot have same computer name. Okay, the second setting is please enable SMD direct. You can enable at the control panel, program and feature, turn window feature on or off. Just scroll down here and the SMD direct here. Just make sure it already ticked. And the third setting is please make sure use sharing wizard already ticked at the folder option. You can tick here file, change folder and source option at the view tab. It's use make sure it's already ticked. Use sharing wizard. And the last setting you need to confirm is please make sure the function discovery resource publication and the function discovery provider host service already start. You can check at the setting at the service .msc. Just confirm the function already start. Okay, let's start how the Windows 10 share the folder. I will share this folder that you all share. Inside this has a photo. Okay, just right click the folder you want to share and properties. Click the setting tab, and the setting tab click the advanced sharing. Just tick this, share this folder, and you can click the permission to modify your permission. In my video, I will allow that everyone have the full control for this folder. Just click OK, close. Okay, next let's continue our topic with state how the first HYB-OS access the host window. This means this folder, and the Mac OS access and transfer the file by this folder also. Okay, let's start with the Ubuntu. First, before you want to access the folder, you must confirm the network connection is normal. Just open the start, use the terminal, ping the host IP. Okay, as you can see, it is connection is normal between my host and my client Ubuntu OS. Okay, just open the file, click the other location, choose SMB, and then the host PC IP. As a question mark here, you can see what's the meaning of the SMB FTP. You can choose the access type here, and then click the connect. Then you can see the photo that I shared just now. Just double click it. Okay, now you can see the photo already. You can access the folder, but then you just right click, copy to, click the select, choose the location you want to paste, and just click the select. This is already done transfer here, the folder, the file you want to share it. And how the macOS to access the share folder? You just go to Finder tab, just click the go, and click the connect to server. Just key in the host IP here and click the connect. And you can see the WOU share folder as I shared just now on the Windows 10. Just click OK. Okay, now you can see the folder here also. And now you want to take the media out, just right click, copy, and paste item. Okay, now you can see the folder here. Okay, let's continue our topic with step 4. Step 4, how the first OS Ubuntu share the folder, and step 4, how the second client OS share the folder. Okay, let's come back our Ubuntu OS. Now I want to share the Ubuntu share. You need to access to the file, desktop, and the Ubuntu share folder. Inside here have a photo like this. Just right click the folder, click the local network share. Just share this folder, take it, and I am take also the guest access for simple explanation. Just click the share. It's already done. You can see the share icon at the Ubuntu share folder here. And let's continue with how the macOS share the folder. Okay, in the macOS, I want to share this folder. Mac share, and inside have a logo. You need to go to the system preference, click sharing, click this file sharing, and just select add, click the app icon here, select the photo you want to share at the desktop, Mac share, and here you can see the picture just now. Just click the add. Okay, here you can modify your permission, and just click see. Okay, now you also already done share the folder in the Ubuntu and the macOS. Now we continue our topic with how how host OS access the file sharing from the first client OS Ubuntu OS and the second client OS macOS, and transfer out the media. First, you also need to confirm the connection of the host between the host and the client. Just ping the host IP, just ping the client IP on the command prompt here. And here is the macOS IP. 12x is the Ubuntu IP. Okay, you can see it is lost on 0%. Okay, let's start. It's the first solution. It's very simple. Just on the run box, key in the IP you want to access. This is the Ubuntu IP and the Ubuntu folder you can see it here. Just right enter Ubuntu the folder share on the Ubuntu OS. You can see it is the same folder, same file also. Okay, just right click, copy, and paste at the place you want to transfer, and just already done. And it also have the other solution with solution 2 how to access the share folder also. You can go to this PC and at the magnet drive here, just click it, select the drive you want, any drive also can, and just key in the IP of the Mac OS. And just click OK, finish. Okay, now you can see the OU logo. Same with the Mac OS, the photo I shared just now. Yes, it's same. Just right click, copy, and paste at the location you want to transfer. Okay. Hello everyone, let's continue with how we use the FTP to transfer the file between the host OS and the client OS. Okay, I am using the FileZilla server host the FTP service on my host PC, this Windows 10 PC. And today I will use the Ubuntu FTP and the Mac FTP as the example of the FTP folder. Inside here have the file. Okay, let's start how to configure the FileZilla server. After download the FileZilla server on the Google and just open it on FileZilla server and just click connect. After click the connect, just go to the edit and the user and the share folder tab, just click the add. Then key in your username. As my first user is my Ubuntu FTP user, and I add the folder. Here can modify your permission. I just allow it for full control. Also same with the I will add the second user here. Okay, now I will give also the full control. Now you can see I have 2 users, and you can either generate tab, enable the password for the user more secure. Also enable for the FTP user, and just click OK. This is a very simple step for setting out the FTP FileZilla. Okay, now we go to the Ubuntu. How the Ubuntu want to access the FTP service that I am created just now. First, if you don't have the FileZilla server, you can add the Ubuntu software here and the search. Just search the FileZilla. Okay, you can see my status already installed. Just install it here. After install, you can check the software here. Just open it and key in the FTP protocol with the IP address of the host, the username, the password. Just click the quick connect and OK. Okay, now you can see the Ubuntu FTP. It is the same PNG folder here. If you want to transfer out to the from the host to the client, just pull it out. Oh, sorry. Oh, I will pull it out to the desktop. Just pull out, release. Then you can see the transfer finish. You can see the folder here. Same with the, if you want to transfer back the picture, go back to this folder at the FTP. I will show the example. Just pull out, release, and here refresh the. Okay, now you can see the picture already transferred back to here. Same with the Mac OS also. In the Mac OS, you just go to the Safari and search the. If you don't have any FileZilla on the Mac OS, just search on the website FileZilla and download it. After download, you just open it. The step is very same with the Ubuntu. Just type in the host IP, the username, and the password, and just click on that. Just click OK here. Now you can see the FTP PNG here, and if you want to transfer from the host to the client, just pull it, release. Now you can see it here. It's the same. If you want to transfer from the Mac back to the host OS PC, just pull out, release. Okay, now you can see our FTP already has this folder, and it here can check the log for your PC to transfer detail. And this is end of our video here. Thank you.